Today we are making homemade mango juice. No preservatives, no additives, just natural. Hello and welcome to Cook with Antoniette Tea. On this channel, we share simple and delicious recipes. If that sounds good, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and let's get started. So let's start by peeling the mango. We are going to use one mango for this instance, and you will also need a blender so as to blend the mango and make the mango juice. Once the mango is peeled, we are going to chop them into small bits. We are going to be adding a little amount of water to lessen the thickness of the juice. Honestly, this turned out so good. I love the mango juice, and thanks to the blender, it did a great job. If you want such a blender, make sure to contact me either on email or WhatsApp, and I will help you place an order on Jumia, as I'm a Jumia JForce agent. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to try the recipe and make yourself a healthy mango juice. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, kindly consider doing that. Also like the video and share to your friends. Until the next video, please make sure to watch the other videos on this channel. Thank you.